Hey everyone! Today I'm gonna share how to create a horizontal scroll in Figma. Okay, let's get right into it. I have a homepage for job search application. There are a couple of set of cards on this page and I'm going to create a horizontal scroll for them. Let's select all 5 cards and then use the keyboard shortcut Shift-A to place our cards inside in Auto Layout. Then the need to resize the width of the auto layout frame by the size of the main frame. What's next? We go to the Prototype tab, find the option for Overflow Scrolling and choose Horizontal Scrolling. We can hide content outside of the homepage frame. To do it, we have to back to the Design tab, select the home page and check the option Clip Content. And that's it. Let's check it out. It works perfectly. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.